Hey y'all, my name is Ladarius. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you take your hair from looking like this, rough, dry, and ashy, to moisturized and defined curls. The first step in my process is hydration. I start off in the shower by wetting my hair. And while my hair is getting wet, I slightly detangle. I slightly detangle right now with just water in my hair to help me out later in the process when it's time to actually detangle. I'm not sitting there fighting with tangles the whole time. The second step is shampoo. I use the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthening Repair Shampoo because my hair is dyed and it's prone to breakage. I go in with the shampoo and I scrub my scalp, making sure I focus on my scalp more than I'm focusing on the length of my hair. I use my finger pads to scrub my scalp really good to make sure I'm getting all the dirt and product out from the previous week. And after rinsing, I usually go in with a second shampoo, which you will see here in a few minutes. Well, not a few minutes, it'll be a few seconds. This is the second shampoo. My third step in my routine is conditioning. During this time, I use the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Referral Oil Intensive Hydration Conditioner. I like this because it moisturizes my hair really well. And you can see I'm currently detangling as with my hands as I'm like going, because that detangling process is no joke. As you can see here, I'm sectioning my hair off. I usually do 4 sections. We're on to the fourth step, is detangling. I use this knockoff dimming brush that I got from Walmart. I don't usually use this brush. I usually detangle with my fingers, but like when I actually detangle my hair, I use this brush. It can help with curl definition too, but I only use it for detangling. And after I'm done detangling the section, I twist it up. You see my little unicorn horn sticking out. Then I repeat this process throughout my hair. When I get to the front, I wait for 3 minutes and then I rinse everything out. Then I move on to the 5th step, which in my case is deep conditioning. I use the Moisture Manuka Honey and Referral Oil Deep Conditioner. This is the best one that works for my hair, that is easily accessible. And as you can see, it got steamy because I usually turn up the heat of my shower when I'm deep conditioning, just so the product can really penetrate my hair and really get inside there. And then the final step is the styling. This bottle, I use it, it's just I'm not using the product inside the bottle, it's just a spray bottle I have. I use the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Referral Oil leave-in conditioner. Focus. And then I also use this big tub of Wet Line Extreme gel. That's my favorite gel. I start off by sectioning my hair into 4s.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. It's blood in my pen. Better yet,
then I take my spray bottle and drench my section. And when I say drench it, I like my hair to be soaking wet because the product takes better when your hair is soaking wet. I really drench it. You can see, like, this is, I never put this bottle down. If I'm being honest, I go through one full bottle of these. Like, it's usually not this spray bottle, but this is the only spray bottle I could find. And again, it's not the product inside, even though I would recommend that product for like really good hair growth. I've used it all, but I drench my hair, then I apply my leave-in, and I make sure I am combing it through with my fingers, really massaging the product inside my strands. Not fighting too many tangles because of my detangling process earlier. You see the curls already forming.
I really hope you play this, cause oh girl, you test my patience with all these seductive photographs and all these one-off vacations you've been taking.
You can see excess product sitting on my hair, so I go in. First I wipe the excess off my hand, and then I go in with my spray bottle again and spray even more water on there. Just to keep my hair hydrated and to help with product absorption. I go with my Wet Line Extreme. I take a little bit of this at first, and even I spray this with the water so it's easier to go through my hair and it separates my curls better.
Good guy, what you doing that walk for? When I see that thing move, I just wish we would fight less and we would talk more. They say communication save relations, I can tell, but I can never right my wrongs unless I write them down for real. P.S.
I like to rake the product through with my hands, and as I do that, it clumps my curls together. I spray even more water just to help the product absorb and cover my hair evenly. Then I repeat this process over the rest of my hair, and I come back whenever we're at the front. So when I get to the front of my hair, I usually do the same things, but I add a little bit of, it's kind of different. I start to detangle. I twirl a couple pieces around my finger, so like the definition is better. These pieces are at the front of my head, and if I can see them, other people can see them. So I like to make sure that these are a little bit more defined by twirling a couple strands around my finger, separating it to give me more volume also. And this is how it's looking so far. After I apply all of my products and do all my finger detangling, I like to take a towel and wrap it around my face because then I shake my head vigorously. And I'm shaking my hair to remove the parts I created when I was separating my hair, and also it helps clump the curls together. I'm sure this is essential to a lot of people's curly hair routines. You have to shake the product to separate the curls. And then I'll take a few more that are looking frizzy and I finger detangle. I finger twirl those around my fingers to make them a little bit more defined. And after all the product is in, we let air dry. Then I go in with an oil to break the cast of my hair because it's kind of crunchy from all the gel I applied. And after I do that, I will go through and pick my hair. You'll see here in a second. I take a pick and start picking my hair. I start in the front, working at the roots. I don't go through the ends because it messes up the curls. I'm trying to keep the definition, but I also like volume. A little frizz doesn't bother me. I prefer like volume over definition, if I'm being honest. But like I do like a little bit of definition, so I don't take the pick all the way through my hair. As you can see here, I'm holding the ends to keep them curly as I'm picking the roots to create volume. So here are the results of my curly wash day routine. The definition is there, and as I'm editing this, I see a few little straggly pieces that I will go through and clip. But if you guys want a more in-depth like hair trimming video, because I like to trim my ends, just make sure you're subscribed and leave a comment. And I'll catch y'all in my next video. Thank you all so much for watching. Leave this video a thumbs up. Comment what you would like to see more of me from my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video.